Hey, I am Naseer Al-Sharman from Kleen. Working with Excellent Webworld was truly a standout experience. The quality of their work was impressive. From day one, they built a foundation of trust and transparency with us, with a strong local presence and round-the-clock availability. They proved to be not just a service provider, but a true partner. Their deep understanding of our local market and community needs sets them apart. Applaud their readiness to address any challenge promptly. What really touched us was how Mr. Meyer made himself available for guidance and on-site help at a moment's notice. It's this level of personal commitment that makes us want to continue bartering with them. I really recommended Excellence Webworld to any business aiming to elevate its project result and take his company to the next level of technology. Thank you so much, Excellent Webworld and Mr. Meyer.